If you're looking to automate CRM data entry and make managing your customer relationships a breeze, Folk CRM is an excellent solution that can help streamline the process. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can use Folk CRM to automate your CRM data entry tasks, making your workday more efficient and your customer data more accurate. Folk CRM is a powerful tool designed to simplify customer relationship management, and one of its standout features is its ability to automate data entry. This saves you time and reduces human error, ensuring that your CRM stays up to date without manual input. With Folk CRM, you can automate the process of gathering and updating customer information, which means less time spent on repetitive tasks and more time focusing on growing your business. One of the ways Folk CRM automates data entry is through its seamless integrations with other tools you may already be using. Whether it's email, social media, or a form on your website, Folk CRM can automatically capture and update contact details without you lifting a finger. This integration is super helpful for businesses that rely on multiple platforms to engage with customers. Folk CRM ties them all together. Folk CRM uses AI and machine learning to analyze your interactions with customers and automatically populate the CRM with relevant data. This means that even if you forget to manually add information, Folk CRM is working behind the scenes to ensure that everything is captured and updated in real time. Another great feature of Folk CRM is its custom workflows. You can set up specific rules and triggers for how data should be entered into the system. For instance, if a new lead fills out a form on your website, Folk CRM can automatically categorize the lead, update their information, and even assign it to the appropriate team member for follow-up. And the best part is you can use Folk CRM for free with our exclusive bonuses. Yes, you heard that right. Click the first link in the description below to grab your free trial and start automating your CRM data entry today. But wait, there's more. I'll explain how you can customize Folk CRM even further to meet your business's specific needs and how you can ensure that your CRM data entry process is as efficient as possible. Keep watching because you don't want to miss these insider tips. Now let's talk about scaling your business with Folk CRM. As your business grows, so does the volume of customer data you need to manage. Folk CRM makes it easy to scale with no extra effort on your part. Its automation features ensure that even with a larger customer base, your data entry process will remain just as efficient and error-free. And don't forget that at the end of this video, I'll share with you how you can access an extended free trial of Folk CRM. This offer is exclusive, and it could help you save a lot of time and resources as you automate your CRM data entry. So, if you're ready to make CRM data entry a thing of the past and focus on what truly matters for your business, Folk CRM is the tool you've been looking for. Get started today using the link below for your exclusive extended free trial.